You figure out how to play in the shelter space. You figure out what's affordable for people, and you're going to win. Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and you're listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast. And in today's episode, I want to talk about how to recession-proof your real estate investing business. Point number one is look for the problem that people are going to have and solve for it. And during recessionary periods, right? What are the things that happen during recessionary periods? People lose jobs, people downsize, people lose homes. It might be different. Every recession has been different. Number two, get in a cash-heavy position. Get in a liquid position. You need to have education behind that so you know how to deploy that capital to multiply it and it comes back to you. Number three is be more conservative with your investments. So what does that mean, right? People are always going to need a place to live. What are the two things that every human being needs? Number one, food. Number two, shelter. You figure out how to play in the shelter space. You figure out what's affordable for people and you're going to win. Number four, be more conservative with your tenants. Be more conservative on how you screen your tenants because you don't want to be caught up in a situation where you took a risk or too much risk with someone that may not have strong credit, may not have a stable employment. We got to be very careful because we want to weather the storm. And number five, be an expert in your space. For us, we like to play in the affordable space. I would caution you to play there, but whatever space you're doing, the time to become an expert and really hone your skill in that space is right now. The time to be an expert, a master at what you do in the space that you're playing in real estate is right now. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. If you appreciate this content and or have any additional thoughts you'd like to drop in the comments for me for us to debate, go ahead and please do so. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Peace out, guys. Love ya. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.